Good. Next.
There's another way to cook some chicken.
Right. Bangko, Bill. Bangko. First tip. The second tip there. Down there.
Nice.
Bangko, bangko.
Brilliant, man.
I need a chair.
Yeah, I need a chair.
Sit down the chair.
Alright.
Pwede rin ba yung mabusunod?
Thank you, my friend. Be safe, Raymond. Here's your helmet.
Sir, magkabok. Ramon, makapusin na Ramon. Makapusin na.
Daniel, you know how to drive. Good job. That looks delicious.
Try, bro. Wings. Hoy, paano kutsilyo ma?
Saging?
Look at the
Go.
Make me? Alright.
Teka. Bro.
parental guidance.
Nice. I understand.
Triangle.
Alright.
Toast, try. Okay, putla ng tail man kayo.
This is for you.
Tail, kato, tail, di siyam ka tail.
Ay, bibit lang ang gandi ko. Dahil ito papan man, ito patod man.
Yan na. Pero tail mo put. Good job.
Want to try the wings? Yeah.
Ito na misa.
Delicious.
What's different before the last time? Propil ng mga bata, basta yung ino ni.
Wala lang promotion na.
Who are you, dog? We got a new dog. Oh, Raymond. Hey.
Luto, maluto. Luto.
Sit down. Wait first, I slice
Hi.
first.
You pick the first piece, Francis. What piece do you want? We got the kamote, the violet kamote, and some chicken and rice.
Ito. Ay, nang liyo.
Delicious.
Isdodo ko ko na.
Dapat ako makasay one match. Yum, yum, yum.
That's delicious.
Dapat ako bakit lang.
Eh sige ato dito dire ka.
Dapat ako bakit pang dagaan ako tit.
If you eat this, you travel around the world. Kuya.
Richie, how was your day?
Very good.
Did you practice your dancing?
We dance.
Pwede
You guys
budol-budol.
danced?
Pwede budol-budol.
Ah, di ba, di ba?
Shout out to my TikTok. Shout out to my TikTok
Oh, what's your TikTok?
in the description below.
Oh, in the description?
This one here.
Oh, right here? Is it right here?
This is my TikTok. Hindi na pali adro.
Ding. Ano ka?
I want skin.
Raymond, how's your ankle? How's your ankle? You.
Not your uncle, okay?
Yeah, not your uncle. He tried to dunk a basketball and he
Batikolon.
fell down a hill and he goes to his ankle.
My uncle is okay now. I give him rice.
Batikolon. Batikolon. Sunfly.
What's so this?
Batikolon.
What's the butty colon? This is the colon.
Asa ma paano ko diha ilap diha. Hata ko rin la.
Some part of your
Some part?
stomach. Part of
part of the
stomach. Yeah.
It's okay. It's good.
Rice pa ma. Rice bread.
Ko abi na ko.
Wala na rice bread.
Ala kwanto ta ka.
What's your way of eating, Dustin? Eat the food first before the rice, or
I always eat the other food first usually.
food first? Here is rice first and then food, or sometimes together.
Okay. Like even with, unless it's like if we eat soup, you've seen it, but I usually get the bowl of soup and I always put the rice inside and I eat that together.
We noticed that.
Yeah. Do you do that too or no?
No, eat together.
You always eat it together. But mine was together. I put it in the bowl.
No, but you separate the.
No, I was
You separate it.
I was
And sometimes I don't even have rice. You know, like if I eat enough chicken, I won't even eat rice.
Bili lolo naman eh.
But you, when you think rice makes the meal taste better, right?
Kamas.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
It's like if no rice, it's like
It's not a
You're-
it's not a complete meal.
you're still hungry after.
Okay.
For us Filipino, we really like rice.
Hey, so does he.
Like
Dai,
Jim, ano yun Jim?
anong hindi ng kaon? Ano din?
Jim pa ba?
Ang pala ito.
Ay, plato Jim pa ba?
Kuot lang, are. Kapla
Ay
are.
kami naman gud.
Ay, Jim! Yung padali, Jim!
Kapaw na dito. Italen. Char. Na.
Hey, Richie. Can I hold your hand?
Aba.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, pala ka.
Namutera ko adam.
Yummy?
There's not a lot to eat on it, but
Tagas ka mo tay dako kay che.
If we will go on cockfighting, they like to eat like that. So it's like if you eat that, you might win. Eat this one.
that that black thing? All of it?
No. No.
Kangka?
What's kanka?
You want some?
Oh, kanka?
Kangka? Joke, it's for me.
Tangtang may magbuhat yo.
Perfect. Thank you.
Say, ugod mo dibi.
We finished everything.
Marke.
Delicious. Raymond, which kind do you like better? In the can? Over the can? Or like this? Yeah, I like over the can too. But this is still good. I mean, that's still really good. But Richie said over the can too. What about you guys? What do you like better? Can? Can. God. Another big thank you to the donators. This meal was brought to you by the donators. So that really helps out a lot. It feeds some big tummies. And of course, we always share with everyone out there. So you can see that it feeds a lot of people.
Very full.
Yeah.
Kainit ba?
Raymond's 8 months pregnant. And soon there'll be one more with the feed. All right, you guys take care. God bless. See you next time.
Bye-bye. Take care.
Alang.